This video is a step-by-step guide on opening a Trading 212 invest account for beginners. We'll then look how to use the platform to invest with as little as £1. We'll then have a look at my portfolio and complete the review of the mobile app with a breakdown of the pros and cons. Stay with me till the end to master all the secrets of this allegedly zero-fee app. You won't regret it. Let's get cracking. My name is Marco, and just to let you know, this video is part of a free course here on YouTube on investing for beginners. Link at the end of the video. So today's topic is Trading 212, and the first thing you need to do is to download the app with the first link you will find in the description below. This link will also give you a free share valued up to £100 when you deposit at least £1 on Trading 212. So this is what you see after clicking on the link below, and you obviously want to tap on the install button. While you wait for the installation to complete, you want to get your national insurance number in case you don't remember it.
A few moments later.
Brilliant. Now the app is on my phone and I can now tap open. You will be confronted with two options, as they also offer you the possibility to open an account where you can practice buying stocks with pretend money. This can be done later on, so for this guide I'll be opening a real account, and to do so I need to hit the open account button. From now onwards you will have to enter data that are needed for tax purposes. Aww. It won't be fun, I'm afraid. But I'm here to hold your hand and make it pass as quickly as possible. Ready, set, go! So you will be asked your country of residence, and if you live in the UK like myself, United Kingdom is the default option, so you just have to hit next. So the next question is nationality, and you need to press next once you select the right one. So the next one is the name of the passport. You just have to fill it in and then press again next. And in the same fashion, you need to fill in the date of birth and again the phone number. Next up, we are asked the country where we pay our taxes. Oh, and finally, you have to enter the national insurance number, and once again, your address. And once you have done everything correctly, you get to this screen where you can pick your type of account. You could open a CFD account, but this is mostly for day trading, and this is not what this video is about. I got burned with CFDs when I tried to trade Bitcoin in 2018 and the market crashed on me. So I highly recommend to stay away from CFDs unless you know what you're doing. You want to untick the CFD account. You then want to decide whether you want to open a normal account or an ISA. I cannot open an account with Trading 212 because I keep mine with Vanguard. So I will untick the ISA box and then press next, like this. Oh, it's already unticked. You will then have to select the currency. There are euros, dollars and pounds, and I prefer pounds. They will then ask the annual income, and then again all this information you're giving them will stay with them. Nothing will be given away. They are a trustworthy company. Next question is a source of deposit and will be salary for me. So just pick your employment status and then press next. And then your job title basically, and then press next. Ooh, this section is about terms and policies, and I would recommend to read these terms and conditions just before going to bed. They will knock you out cold. On a serious note, you really have to read these details, because by clicking confirm you accept them all. So cover your back and read everything. Once you accept it, you just have to provide your email address and password for Trading 212 and click create account. And there you have it. Your account is ready to go, and I will be receiving a free share because I used the link below, and you can do the same too. So there is one last thing you have to do if you want to get the free stock, which is to deposit £1. And to do so, you have to wait until they verify your identity, which might take up to 24 hours. But for the sake of this exercise, let's just assume that your profile is up and running and completely ready. So I will be using my profile because obviously it's already good to go. So to deposit your money, it's very simple. You need to hit the orange button at the top left corner, and that will bring up this screen that is basically then telling you this big blue button is what you have to hit to deposit funds. So once you hit that button, you just have to fill in this section with your debit card details, and then you're able to deposit £1. Wow, we are finally inside, and that's how the stocks are laid out by categories. So what I want to show you is how to buy £1 worth of shares. And so to buy £1 worth of shares, we are going to fractional shares and pick a stock. So in this case, I will pick Tesla. And you can buy as little as 0.001 share. So to buy, you just have to tap on the stock, click buy, and then you move the cursor to find the amount that you want. So in this case, it is 0.01. And we don't have enough money to buy 0.02. So that's how much I'm gonna buy, and hit review order. So that's what you're going to see just before buying. So I'll just go ahead and hit send buy order, which I did not hit the button, but now I did. And there you have it. Now the order is placed, and because at the time of recording it is Sunday, obviously the stock market is closed. So you can verify that your order is ready to go by hitting the orange button, which is the same one that you use to deposit the money on your account, and you find that your order is down here under blocked for pending orders, so 0.56p. Yes, we placed the order, so hit the like button to celebrate this success. So at this point, let's have a quick look at my portfolio on Trading212. At the time of recording, I only own WTI crude oil. If you're interested in investing in oil directly, the short for it is OD7F. The assumption is that the price of oil is very low at the moment because there is no demand. Everyone is working from home, so no one is actually using petrol or diesel. Price of this fund has dropped 75%. So from the moment I bought £750, the price has already come back up a little bit, but I'm planning to hold on to it for the long term. The bottom line and platform review. Pros of Trading212 is that the app is user-friendly and simple to use. You can buy fractional shares, which means you can spend even less than £1, as I showed you. So the platform itself doesn't charge any money. However, the UK law states that you have to pay stamp duties every time you buy shares. So that is obviously something you need to take into account, and that you pay when you buy on Trading212. And ultimately, all trading platforms in the UK are subject to this law. So obviously, this is more of a pro than a con. The platform is protected up to £85,000 by the Financial Conduct Authority, which means that if the company goes bust, if Trading212 goes bust, you can then get your money back up to £85,000. And the cons are that the price history is limited to 1 year. So if you want to look at the price going back a few years, you have to look elsewhere, basically. Not all companies and ETFs are present on this platform. However, most of them are there, so it's great, isn't it? This is all for free. Do you think that the pros outweigh the cons for Trading212? Or maybe there are details that I forgot to talk about. Please let me know in the comment section below, and I will answer all of them. As I promised you at the beginning, this video is part of a free course here on YouTube on investing for beginners, and the link is here on the right side. So click it if you want to hone your investing skills. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time.